the latest collection of indoor patio design ideas. Discover your Oasis, the latest indoor patio design ideas collection. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you craving a serene escape right in the heart of your home? Look no further. Our latest collection of indoor patio design ideas is here to transform your living space into a tranquil oasis where nature meets luxury. In this video, we have curated a stunning array of indoor patio designs that blend the beauty of the outdoors with the comfort of your home. From chic minimalistic setups to lush green paradises, these ideas are sure to inspire and elevate your indoor patio experience. What you'll find in this collection: nature-inspired decor. Explore the art of bringing the outdoors in with our creative decor ideas. Discover how to incorporate plants, natural materials, and soothing color palettes to create a harmonious atmosphere. Cozy seating arrangements. Dive into the world of cozy patio furniture and seating arrangements that invite you to relax and unwind. From comfy lounge chairs to elegant dining sets, find the perfect furniture pieces to suit your style and space. Lighting magic. Illuminate your indoor patio with the right lighting solutions. Discover the enchanting glow of fairy lights, stylish lanterns, and ambient lighting ideas that set the mood for every occasion. DIY projects. Get hands-on with our easy DIY projects that add a personal touch to your indoor patio. From handmade planters to custom seating, unleash your creativity and craft your dream space. Seasonal transitions. Learn how to adapt your indoor patio design for every season. Whether it's creating a cozy winter retreat or a vibrant summer sanctuary, we've got tips and tricks to keep your space inviting all year round. Why watch this video? Our collection is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a lifestyle. Dive into the world of indoor patio design and let your creativity bloom. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious terrace, there's an idea here for every space and budget. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let the inspiration flow. Transform your indoor patio into a haven of peace and beauty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home and garden inspiration. Thank you for watching, and here's to creating your own indoor paradise.